Good afternoon, traders. It is Erica at Alpha E Trades. It is Monday, August 23rd, 2:16 p.m. Just a quick rundown in the market on futures, what we had going on today here currently. We had a nice spike into all-time highs back on ES here, currently 43 points positive. NQ, whopping 232 points positive. RTY, it's our slow mover, 38 points positive. And so this morning, traders, when we started, we were a little sideways, and ultimately our swing patterns from our 4-hour perspective here. Let's start with ES here. Now, last week on ES, traders, for those of you that are familiar with our private Twitter service, we caught this whole run down. So we had a little bearish run here, and then we turned around and we caught all of the upside to this as well. So we bypassed target 2, 44.64, which I posted on Twitter if you follow me on Twitter as well. Ultimately here, we had on ES here, traders, right here, target 3, 44.88. We're just shy of that here. We're starting to correct this afternoon, coming back down. For ES, I will say, traders, more than likely we're going to get a quick retracement down into, so on this 5-minute perspective here, probably down into R1, okay, which is 44.42. So that could possibly happen tomorrow. We'll see, or starting this week here, on how we go with the spike up today that we had. And certainly could have been news or not, but we follow our charts and we're prepared for targets both for buyers and sellers. So currently here, traders, so ES target 3, another all-time high if it can get there. 44.88 is our next projection here, traders. And it looks like all-time high, let's see, where are we sitting at as of right now? 44.85. So certainly feasible going into another 2 hours of market, give or take. Now let's take a look at NQ. NQ really rallied today. 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at what we had rocking and rolling on our 4-hour chart. Okay, so nice. We had nice target 1, target 2, huge momentum here, traders. And so currently here, we crank the microscope down. We go level by level on our trade service. So from a 60-minute perspective here, we just hit our target 3, okay, or I'm sorry, target 2. I get all these targets confused here. Target 2 at 15.325. And so we certainly rocked this out from the buyer's trigger here this morning. Let's take a look. Now we do not provide entry and exits, so we'll give you a trigger. So from the actual trigger to the target here, potential 669 ticks. Like, that's some whopping massive money. And a lot of our traders will get in and out because these are swing trades. And even on one contract, you did certainly very well here. So NQ, nice run to the upside. Let's see here. What did I do with my chart here? I have a tendency to lose my charts. Okay, so back on the 60-minute chart on NQ, it is possible, traders, we can come back and test into this buyer's trigger. Okay, so let's take a look now. That is a massive move. So because the move is so massive, let's do retracement here. So we're going to take that swing low. Currently, hypothetically, where we're at now, it all depends on where we stop. So we could get in. We've got another target 3 that we're looking at. But hypothetically here, coming into the next couple days here, traders, we could come into this 15.223 area here, okay? Just because it's where we took off this morning, that is one massive fall here. I don't see us falling completely that. It is possible, though. It is possible. Okay, so just looking for a little bit of retracement coming in for the sellers in the next couple days. We are uber bullish. However, retracements and pushbacks have been very limited. Okay. RTY, let's take a look at RTY, what we've got shaking on RTY, our slow mover. Now we have a pattern here, okay, that we're trading. I'm still kind of lingering in this here, about four points, because it's our slow mover here, traders. So I've gotten in multiple times here just because I don't like to hold when we're volatile like this. So we had our buyer's trigger down here. Ultimately here, traders, on RTY, we're targeting 22.13. And so that is target 1 for RTY. Same scenario as RTY. On RTY as the rest, we could see about a half retracement coming into this week here. So with that being said here, traders, just a quick rundown on what we had going on today. All of our targets were met, plus more. I was running out of targets actually. And so that's what we specialize in, is where is price going and the proper direction. And especially with all-time highs, traders, supply and demand does not work with all-time highs because you have no prior resistance here. So that's where you can come into trouble when you don't know how high the market is going. Hope everyone had an amazing trading day, and we will do another video tomorrow and see how we're going and where we're at on price action.